Tough outdoor cleaning projects require the Stanley 2-in-1 electric pressure washer. The unique modular design can be used from a wall mount, cart, or standalone, so you can carry it anywhere. Blast clean dirty surfaces with up to 2050 PSI. That's 40 times the power of a standard garden hose while using 80% less water. Clean surfaces like house siding with mildew, mold, and moss. Power clean decks and fences to look new again with 2050 PSI power. Refresh cement, stone, and asphalt surfaces. You should choose this because it represents the quality you expect from Stanley. These are some of the best-in-class features. Spray down all your patio areas, including the patio furniture, to make everything look new again. Save money cleaning your vehicles by pressure washing them clean. Stanley electric pressure washers are performance in action. Get yours online at select retailers today.
You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Tackle your toughest home, outdoor, and auto cleaning projects with ease with the Sunjoe SPX 4000 electric pressure washer. Featuring exclusive pressure select technology, packed with 1800 watts of pure cleaning power. The 14.5 amp motor generates up to 2,030 pounds per square inch to demolish every last bit of dirt. Pump up to 1.76 gallons per minute to get really clean, really fast. Remove mildew stains, oil stains, caked on mud, and other stubborn gunk and grime. 5 quick connect tips allow you to go from intense jet to gentle spray to suit the cleaning task. And the onboard 54.1 fluid ounce detergent tank lets you dial in just the right amount of detergent to give your cleaning blast a boost. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Featuring Sunjoe's exclusive pressure select technology. The SPX 4000 lets you select the perfect pressure to combat dirt and grime. Choose from 2 powerful cleaning options. Low, 1,450 PSI for everyday dirt, grease, and grime. And high, 2,030 PSI to tackle your toughest cleaning tasks. Other exclusive features include the built-in Total Stop power-saving system, designed to save energy and prolong pump life when the trigger is not engaged. And when the work is all done, simply wind it up and stash it away with the convenient onboard hose holder for faster cleanup and neater storage. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. For the extreme power and performance you demand, go with Joe, the SPX 4000 electric pressure washer from Sunjoe. Get equipped.
The toughest outdoor cleaning projects require the most powerful electric pressure washer we make, the Stanley SHP 2150. Class-leading 2,150 PSI for the power to clean almost anything. That's 43 times the power of a standard garden hose while using 80% less water. Clean surfaces like house siding with mildew, mold, and moss. Power clean decks and fences to look new again with 2150 PSI of power. Choose the SHP 2150 because it represents the quality you see from Stanley. Refresh cement, stone, and asphalt surfaces. Spray down all of your patio areas, including your patio furniture, to make everything look new again. Save money cleaning your vehicles by pressure washing them clean. Stanley electric pressure washers are performance in action. Buy yours today.